Select the image you want to edit. Place the screenshot of your Instagram on the image.
Press Ctrl-T to resize the image. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal.
Go to Edit, Transform, Perspective.
Drag from the bottom right corner and press Save.
Select the image you want to edit.
Use Quick Selection tool to select the object. Press Ctrl-X to cut the selection. Create new layer above and press Ctrl-V to paste the selection.
Place the screenshot of your Instagram on the image. Resize the image and place it in between two layers.
Decrease the layer's opacity and click Save.